Hi everyone, my name is Akshay. Hi everyone, in this particular video I am going to demonstrate in front of an exercise known as the glute bridges. Glute is your hips, a bridge is something which you form on the floor, which I'll show you. This particular exercise is an excellent exercise for somebody suffering from lower back pain. A very good exercise to strengthen your glutes and to strengthen your lower back. It is a very easy exercise to do, but as I told you in a number of other videos also, that whenever you're doing an exercise, just copying an exercise from a magazine or an article or something will not help you, because you really need to understand the nitty-gritties of that particular movement. So you make, let's say you make a glute bridge and you really don't know that what to hold, how much to hold, which muscles to tight, so the effects are actually reduced to a great extent. Now let me demonstrate to you how to do a glute bridge and how to now increase the intensity of a glute bridge. So all I'm going to do is actually lie down in a sit-up position. So my legs are folded, my chest is up, I'm keeping my hands by the side and I'm in a sit-up position. Now, while doing a glute bridge, you can do two things. Either you can put your hands here or you can put your hands by your side, whatever is comfortable to you. Your heels should be as close to the hips as possible. All you have to do is just lift your hips up. Now, while doing this particular movement, again you have to notice is that my hips, my chest, the entire upper body and the lower body are in a straight line. It is not this and it is not hyperextending. It is just a glute bridge. Now, this is what a basic glute bridge is like. But when you do a basic glute bridge, there are certain muscles which are to be tightened. When you tighten these muscles, the effectiveness of this glute bridge increases multifolds. So, getting back into a glute bridge position, all I do is I tighten my abdominals and I tighten my hips. When you tighten your hips, the hips are to be tightened in a way as if you're holding a coin between your hips. This is how you tighten your hips. So again, getting back into a position of a glute bridge, tightening my abdominals and tightening my hips. Now just hold this position for maximum time. This is level 1 in a glute bridge. Now when it comes to the level 2 of a glute bridge, in the same position, tightening your hips and tightening your abdominals, you have to lift one of your legs. But a lot of people do a lot of mistakes while lifting that leg. Some people lift it way too lower, some lift it way too higher. How to do it? I'll just tell you. You go back into the position for a glute bridge. Again, my heels are close to my hips, hands by the side. I lift my hips up, tighten my abdominals, tighten my glutes. I lift one of my legs straight up. Now this leg has to be in line with my body. It is not up, it is not down. It is in line with my body with my toe pulled. Hold this position. In this particular position, the main problem is people have a tendency, because it's a powerful position, you're having a lot of effect on your lower back and your glutes. The tendency is for your glutes to go down. To prevent your hips from going down, keep your hips straight so that you get maximum effect when you're lifting a leg. Now I'll do it with the other leg. I lift my hips up, tighten my abdominals, tighten my hips and lift my leg in line with the body, keeping my hips straight. I get back, keep my hips up, lift the leg in line with the body and keep it back, and I come down. This is how you do a basic level 1 and level 2 glute bridge.
For more on fitness, log on to onlymyhealth.com.